Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our market outlook. Alright, so on this week's outlook, I'm going to be focusing on EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold, GBPJPY, and AUDUSD. Alright, so what am I expecting for the week? Let me go straight into the market. So we are going to start with EURUSD. So on EURUSD, I can see some reaction towards this supply zone right here. So the market is reacting towards the supply zone. And then where am I expecting EURUSD to go? I'm expecting some sells on EURUSD to this demand zone. So I have the first demand zone here, and then I have my second demand zone right here. So these are where I'm expecting this is where I'm expecting EURUSD to come to. Now on my 3H time frame, what can I see? So the week was an exciting week. Yes, the week was very exciting. Why? Because we had consolidation throughout the week. Since, let me see, from Monday to Friday, as the market was just consolidating. Yes, the market was just distributing for ourselves for this week. That's what I saw happening for EURUSD. So I saw some distribution happening here. Then what am I expecting for the week? So I'll be expecting some break here. Then I'm expecting something like this for the week. So that's what I'll be expecting for EURUSD. Something like this to the side, and then some sells for the week. On 2H, the same thing. I'm just expecting the market. I'll be expecting the market to break this particular lows we have here before the we see some push up, then the trade the bearishness for the week. All right, so I'm having some for the week. All right, so let's go to our next pair, which is gold. Now on gold, yeah, as you can see, let me go on daily time frame. I made some analysis on gold already. So from last week, I made mention of my swing low and my swing high, and then we can see gold trading right within a very nice supply zone right here. So the gold traded into our supply zone. And then what am I expecting for gold? I'm expecting sells for gold as well for the week. Yes, so let me go into my 2H time frame and let's see what happened. So gold was also just consolidating for the week. Gold was consolidating for the week. So what am I expecting this week? So this week's expectation on gold is, I actually found that gold actually broke this particular structure here. So there was a break of structure right here and also cleared that liquidity right there. So there was a break of structure here. Gold created another form of liquidity here. So what am I expecting? I'll be expecting some bullishness either to the side before our sell, or gold will go right above to the side before we have our sells for gold. So this is what I'll be expecting for gold. So I'll be expecting gold to trade within this demand zones we have right here, either this one or this demand zone. So that'll be what I'll be expecting for gold this week. All right, so let's take our next pair and see what we will be focusing on. That's GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now we can see that GBPUSD is also trading right in this particular supply zone. So we have this nice supply zone here. We see the market traded into it. And then what will I be expecting for the week? Now on 3H, the same thing happened. The week has just been full of the previous week we had full of full consolidations in the market. The market was just consolidating. And then what am I expecting for this pair? I'm expecting somewhat bearishness for this pair. So I'm expecting the market. Let me go to 4H and show where I'll be expecting the market to trade to. So I'll be expecting the market to trade into this zone. So on 4H, this is what I'm expecting for um GBP USD. I'll be expecting some push to the upside maybe here before I get my sales happening, or any of this can happen. So this scenario is also possible for the market, or we can have this happening, the market coming down to clear this particular lows here, this previously here, go up, then we have our sales in the market. So any of this scenario is very possible from the look at our structure, because we can see some break of structure to the upside. So I'm expecting some pullback. So you know that um, whenever we have a break of structure, then we have somewhat pullback. So when we have a break of structure like this, what do we expect? We expect the market to pull back. Then we have our next break of structure. So that's what I'm expecting. That's why I'm expecting some bearishness here. All right. Our next pair is GBP JPY. All right. Now on GBP JPY, what am I expecting? GBP JPY, I'm expecting some bearishness as well. On GBP JPY, I'm expecting some bearishness on GBP JPY. Where are my levels? So I'm expecting the market to either trade or respect this zone already that it is in, or to trade right above before we get the bearishness. So this is also possible for me. This is possible. Good. So we can have any of this happening in the market. All right. Good. So any of this is what is very possible for me. The market can either trade right into the zone or trade into this zone here before we get our sales. So I'm expecting something, the market trading, sorry, I'm expecting the market trading right here before our sales, or the market going up. So the market can either go up to this place before we expect what? Some sales on GBP JPY. All right, let's go straight to our last pair, which is AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD, what am I expecting? I'm bearish on AUDUSD. Now, on daily time frame, what do we have? We can see the market came right into to this demand zone, supply zone, sorry, this supply zone, but then didn't touch it. What did it do? It's filled, it tried filling the the fair value gap we have here, the imbalance we have right here. Let me zoom chart. So yeah, we had the market trading into this particular fair value gap. So it filled almost half of it. Yeah, almost half of it. Let me see. Let's take our Fibonacci and then good. So the market filled almost half of it, and then decided to go down. All right. So what am I expecting for this pair? I'm expecting somewhat bearishness for this pair. I'm expecting somewhat bearishness for AUDUSD. All right. So on daily, right? On daily, where am I expecting the market to trade to? So I'm expecting sales to this level right here. So I'm expecting sales to either this level, or the market will trade right into this demand zone. Any of these zones is possible, but then since I'm expecting bearish, let me just talk about the bearish nature of this market. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to either break the structure here, trade into this particular zone here before we see some sales happening. Yes, that's what I'll be expecting for this pair. So I'll be expecting something like this to happen, where we have our break of structure happening right here. before I look for some sells on this pair. We always need to what get confirmations before we take our trade. So you can see the whole week was just what distribution and accumulations happening on the pairs that we have. So when you go to the other pairs, that's the USD XXX pairs, you can see that we had some accumulations also happening, whilst on this pairs we had what distributions happening. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me some likes, subscribe, share it to your friends, and then I wish you all the best for the coming week. Thank you guys.